What are you doing? I'm talking about your ninang.
Ninang? Where's
Yeah.
she from? I said it.
Now, I don't know where's your ninang now.
You should chat her.
But you have many, many ninangs.
What?
Maybe your ninang forgot you na. Maybe the other is busy. I don't know. The others.
I thought it was Abby.
Hmm?
Mommy's Archer.
You have a ninang. I told you that
What?
before. You don't do that. I told you have a ninang, a lesbian. It's
Let's
like a
see.
girl. It's like a girl.
What is it?
It's like a girl.
A acting boy.
Yeah, acting
Boys.
like a boy.
Boy.
Like a man.
Does actors forgive me?
Forgive you?
I mean, does others doesn't remember me?
Maybe the other remember you. The others don't remember you because they're so busy and they saw you small. But now you're big now.
And now they remember me.
The other one they remember, but the other I don't know. Maybe they don't remember you na. You say hi na lang to.
Then 1,000 hours I haven't seen my others
Ninongs and Ninang.
Yeah.
Maybe you say hi na lang so they can remember you. Yeah, you say hi na lang.
So what's their name?
Do you
What's
remember
their
me,
name?
my Ninong and my
What's their-
Ninang?
What's their name then?
So many eh.
What?
Ninang,
Ate Ninang?
no, Ninang. Like Ninang Monique. Diba you remember? Diba you remember? Ninang Monique always coming in the house.
Yeah.
And then Ninang, the one we go in the house. Ninang Jaja.
Jaja.
Ninang Carlita.
No. I haven't seen that one.
You forgot na, Ninang Carlita. She have a baby boy.
Oh yeah.
Oh, the
He's my
one.
best friend.
You go swimming, di ba? You forgot na.
Does the boy forget me? Does the boy remember me?
I don't know. Maybe because
He's my best
he's a little
friend.
boy eh.
Yeah, he's a little boy. I know that.
Maybe
He is.
he will saw you again. If he saw you again.
What you say?
Maybe if you
I
saw
want
each other
swimming.
again.
Huh?
Maybe if you saw each other again, maybe he will remember you.
We be friends.
Yeah.
I want to go swimming.
You say hi muna to your Ninang. Hi Ninang, do you remember me?
No, you won't remember me.
But that's why you say hi, so they will remember you. Who is this little girl? I don't remember. That's why you say hi. Anyone remember me?
I'm in Precious.
Yeah, I'm Precious. Maybe you still remember me. It's a long time na. I'm 9 years old na. Maybe you remember me. It's been long time. I didn't see you guys. Ninang, Ninong, how are you? You're not here. So they will saw your face. Wow, it's my inaanak, so pretty.
I am not.
You say hi
I
na
have
lang.
wings.
You have what?
I have wings.
What wings?
Wait, no. Wings. Wings.
You have wings?
No. Wings.
Friends?
Yeah.
wings.
I'll say you 1,000 times, friends. Don't
Yeah.
look at me. Oh. I. I want to go swimming.